Hi, Poppy here. Caffeine and BS for May 25th, 2019. You hear that? Hear that? Birds, bugs, sunshine! Apparently, I pulled the trigger on calling it a storm yesterday a little early because it went right past us. We just caught the west edge. So, I guess the people in people across the highway up in the avenues, they got wet. Let's see. Just I'm a little stalled on projects. Run out of material for one. Can't make up my mind what material to make the other out of. And then I went and made a big mistake. I watched a bunch of other creators' vids. And one guy burned down 5 projects. I was going to say, I'm the first guy to think of this. 5 in a row. Boom, 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 boom. He posted them first. I can't say I was the first guy to think of it. And then I look at it, the work's real good too. So, it's going to be real hard to do it better. In another video, hi, I'm Poppy. I'm a tubaholic. That's the name of the video. I talk about my YouTube addiction. It's bad. I mean, other than 1, maybe 2 news shows on the weekdays. And let's see, Gold Rush, Better Call Saul. If AMC gets another good Sunday night show, that's if. Then, movies. I've seen all of them. Everything that's on free TV, I've seen it. Had a chance to download it. So, yeah. But YouTube, I can feed the thirst in here to absorb new knowledge. That's why I'm watching all the metalworking channels. Not because I love watching work, although watching someone doing something I've never seen before can be fascinating. Or watching someone who's really, really, really good at something I know about. That's why I like to watch A-Bomb. That's why I like to watch Solid Rock. mean, I cross-fertilize technology. I mean, when I was young, people were complaining at me, why do you want to stick those two parts together, crazy glue? I don't want them to move when I drill the pilot holes through. You know? If I'd shellacked a part to an arbor, you know, it'd been rubber room time. But guys are cross-pollinating their technologies, bringing in stuff from watchmaking. I don't know. Name something that someone's doing to make something. In a machine shop, someone is grabbing a piece of this and look! I'm waiting for the summer bash. I'm going to watch the live streams of that. That's going to be good. That's going to be good. After this, I'm going to record a video concerning the June 7th live stream from here. I'll talk all about that in that one. But I'm going to live stream June 7th. No, I guess that's it. I don't have any new technology. Don't have any potential advertisers to totally irritate by being funny. You know, I burned down Pepsi Cola. They will never, ever advertise on my place. Oh, well, it's in one of my videos. It's on the channel. Anyway, I'm going to gopher now. Well, speaking of gopher, Senior Gopher is dead. Yes, Mr. Gopher is rotting in the ground.